Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some paper cartridges for black powder weapons. So black powder revolvers, black powder rifles, whatever you have. I have 40 cal and 44 caliber rounds right here. Some pyrodex pellets and some zigzags. These are they're 99 cents. So they're pretty cheap. These, I believe, were around $40. And then these were like maybe $25 a pop for each box. Let's get this opened. That's what they look like, the pyrodex pellets. Now these are the exact size for the 44 caliber rounds. If you want to do it for the 40 caliber rounds, you're going to have to cut this up a little bit because it's not going to fit into the 40 caliber rounds. So you're going to have to like smash it up and then take a bit off the edge to where it fits into the pocket of whatever you're using, the muzzleloader, like a revolver or a rifle. You take your zigzag, like that, and we're going to do the 44 caliber. And then I can't really do this one-handed, so I'm just going to take a picture of it afterwards. But you're going to want to roll this up just like you would any normal thing that you would use these zigzags for. And then taper it off at the ends. Now, before I do this, you could alternatively also have the cotton swabs that come for the black powder weapons. You could have one of those cotton swabs in the back of the pyrodex pellet. Although, for this demonstration, I'm going to do it without. I've made some with the cotton swabs. I just don't have them around right now to demonstrate what they look like. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Afterwards, just clip off the ends, and you should be good. So let me just explain what the cotton swabs that I'm not using, what their purpose is. When you fire the black powder muzzleloader, the cotton swabs act as a cleaning, it reduces the recoil of your shot because it allows it to be propelled very directly through the chamber, and also cleans on the way out, cleans the some of the powder on the way out. With this method, it's still going to be the same. You're still going to be able to shoot it. It's just going to have more recoil, and you're going to have more leftover residue from the black powder in the chamber. So I prefer using it with the cotton swabs, but you could also do it like this without. It's your choice. Okay, so real quick, let me show you what this looks like inside black powder revolver. So it turns out that when I did this, I actually did it this way because the cotton circles, I can't remember what they're called, that come for this, you're actually supposed to put them on this side. So it's supposed to be in front of the round. So this is what it looks like when it's loaded into the chamber. See how the cotton is on this side, and then this is facing that way, inside of the chamber. I'm not going to load this into that because I always keep this loaded. But just so you know the orientation, so it goes cotton, then it goes the round right here in the middle, and then you have the pyrodex pellet in the back. Alright, catch you later.